The OAC output contact module can be used to signal the overload pre-alarm, PTA, long time delay, LTD, short time delay, STD, instantaneous, INST, and ground fault, GF, protection alarms, and HWF hardware trip system alarms. Before operating, discharge the main springs and open the circuit breaker's contacts. Push on, discharge springs, push off, open the contacts. The indicators must show open and spring discharged. To remove the ACB front cover, unscrew the 4 screws all around the cover. After that, you can pull on the handle to ease the removal of the cover. Remove the dummy plastic part behind the trip unit by sliding it out. Take the OAC and slide it behind the trip unit. Plug the OAC connectors on the connectors interface in the correct places. Indication OAC. Remove the terminal block label holder using the quarter turn screws. Insert a terminal block type C in the base located on the top of the chassis. Lock the connector interface using the quarter turn screws on the TB label holder. To put back the front cover of the ACB, pull on the handle, place the cover and the screws in the 4 screws. Wire the OAC directly on the terminal block, OAC. Respect the electric diagram that is available in the technical documentation for wiring.